What if I told you that some of the strongest immune support available today doesn't come from a pharmacy, but from your kitchen, your spice rack, and plants that have been trusted for thousands of years? That's exactly what we're talking about today. As someone who spent decades dealing with health challenges, I reached a point where I had to ask a different question. Not what pill do I take next, but how do I support my body so it can protect itself? That search led me back to nature. Now, before we go any further, let me say this clearly. I'm not a doctor, pharmacist, or medical professional. Everything I share comes from personal experience and research. Always do your own homework and talk with your doctor before making changes to your health routine. All right, let's get into it. Your immune system works for you every single day, quietly fighting off viruses, bacteria, inflammation, and stress. But modern life, poor sleep, processed foods, constant stress can weaken that defense system over time. That's where herbs come in. Herbs aren't about quick fixes, they're about daily support. They contain antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and natural immune activators that help your body do what it was designed to do: protect itself. In my latest blog post, I break down 10 powerful herbs that naturally support immunity, and I want to walk you through them right now. First on the list is ginger. Ginger is one of nature's best defenders. It helps reduce inflammation, supports digestion, and assists the body in fighting infections. Something as simple as fresh ginger tea with lemon and honey can become a daily immune ritual. Next is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It supports immune health, joint comfort, and digestion. Many people enjoy it in meals or as golden milk with a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Then there's Tulsi, also known as holy basil. Tulsi is special because it doesn't just support immunity, it helps the body handle stress. And stress, as many people don't realize, is one of the biggest immune killers. Tulsi also supports respiratory health and overall balance. Echinacea is another well-known immune ally. It's commonly used at the first sign of a cold or flu and helps activate immune responses. Many people keep Echinacea on hand during flu season for that very reason. Next up is garlic, a true powerhouse. Garlic has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Its active compound, allicin, helps strengthen immune defenses while also supporting heart health. Even one clove a day can make a difference. Then we have peppermint. Peppermint is refreshing, soothing, and surprisingly effective. It supports digestion, helps clear congestion, and offers mild antibacterial benefits. Peppermint tea or steam inhalation can feel especially comforting during colder months. Chamomile is next. Most people think of chamomile only for sleep, but it does more than that. Chamomile helps reduce stress and contains gentle antibacterial properties, both important for immune health. A calming cup before bed supports rest and recovery. Then there's green tea. Green tea is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that help protect the body from viruses and support immune performance. 1 or 2 cups a day can offer long-term benefits. Cinnamon comes next. This warming spice helps fight inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and support immunity. It's easy to add to oatmeal, tea, smoothies, or healthy desserts, especially during winter months. And finally, licorice root. Licorice root supports respiratory health, soothes sore throats, and has antiviral properties. It's often used in herbal blends, though it's best not to use it long-term without medical guidance. Now here's the key thing to remember. Herbs work best when used consistently and responsibly. Start slow, don't overdo it, and always pay attention to how your body responds. If you want the full breakdown, including how to use each herb safely, daily tips, and answers to common questions, I've put everything together in the blog post. Be sure to check out the full article, Top 10 Herbs to Boost Immunity Naturally. It's all there, simple, practical, and easy to follow. Thanks for listening. Take care of your health, and remember, sometimes the strongest medicine grows quietly from the earth.